everybody, Pandi here. Another Outre wig from their Daily Wig line. It is the Outre Lace Part wig in the style Dixie. I have it in the color DR/BL Cappuccino. The DR is for dark root number 4/black and cappuccino. So it is a mixed colored wig in a basic middle part bob. I'll be honest with you all, I'm not really feeling the color. I love the style, but I'm not feeling the color. Although for the price, it was $14.94. I think it was a great buy. I'm actually considering making this one a giveaway just because I'm not really feeling the color, but I think it's a great wig, just not for me. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back. And Happy New Year, everybody. It's 2021. I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Thank you all so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you didn't do so on your way in, please don't forget to blow dry on my like button. If you enjoy these type of videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free 99 after all. It doesn't cost you anything. And I have a whole variety of content over here, from games to hauls to product reviews to wig reviews to natural hair care treatment. Again, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You all stay safe, stay encouraged, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.